Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the notifications not working properly issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on notification sounds and vibration. Now here click on notification sound, and from here drag this slider all the way to the right side to increase the notification sound, and from here try changing your notification sound. So from here you can choose any notification sound. Now after choosing the notification sound and increasing the notification sound volume, the notifications will start working properly. But if you are still facing the problem in notifications, then the second solution is restart your device. So sometimes restarting your device can fix small software glitches. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel and then click on this power icon. Now here click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile, and after restarting your notification issue will be 100% fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same problem, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then again click on this reset option here to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. And after resetting all the settings, it will reset the notification settings back to default, and after doing this the notifications will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.